Step-by-step guide to getting a job as SAS and R programmer. 1. Become certified by learning base SAS. Since this forms the basis of clinical SAS, it is critical to grasp the fundamentals thoroughly. SAS can be learned by enrolling in a professional course. 2. Study advanced SAS. After gaining a solid foundation in base SAS, you can begin studying more complex subjects, including SQL, macros, SDTM, ADAM, and TLF. The clinical SAS business is in great demand for these skills. 3. Gain experience by working on projects, SDTM and TLF. Possibly the most crucial stage is this one. Employers are looking for proof that you have worked on actual clinical SAS projects. 4. Improve your practical abilities. Since clinical SAS is a practical discipline, it's critical to sharpen your practical skills. Working on projects and making contributions to open source initiatives are some ways you might achieve this. 5. If possible, learn the basics of R programming as well, which will make you stand out from the crowd. Even if that company is not using R, they will prefer you over others who only know SAS, as it shows your dedication and enthusiasm to learn a new language. Learn R only after you're good at clinical SAS and have completed one project with programming in hand. Surprisingly, if your CDSEC concepts are clear, R is much simpler to learn and takes minimal time due to the Faramverse packages. 6. Make connections with those in the field. Participate in industry gatherings, make connections on LinkedIn, and initiate contact with individuals holding positions of interest. Making connections through networking is a terrific method to find out about career openings and open doors. Additional tips: customize your cover letter and CV for every job you apply for. Emphasize your experience and qualifications that are most applicable to the position. Prepare responses to frequently asked questions for clinical SAS interviews. To give your responses with confidence, practice them beforehand. Conclusion: it is feasible to get a career in clinical SAS as a young graduate or experienced programmer, but it will need effort and commitment. Increasing your chances of success can be achieved by implementing the preceding steps. Recall that the most important factors are project experience and practical skill development. Thus, before looking for jobs, strive to gain as much experience as you can. Follow the page Smart Clinical and Abhi Srivastava for more such valuable information.